An overview of 99 Designs you must know, a good portfolio will help you get more work. Learn how to design your 99 Designs profile to showcase your best portfolio and present yourself to your clients in the best possible way. Present your experience in a way that will help you stand out from the crowd. Your profile is the best way to showcase the best portfolios you've created so far. Try to make it as impressive as possible and it will work best for you. Your profile is where you can showcase your talents and skills to relevant clients. Check out the following tips to make sure you meet the criteria for a great profile that will grab the attention of clients. The first thing you'll notice after creating a profile is your cover photo, the thick bar behind your profile picture. It's a great chance to show the world your unique style because it's the first thing a client will notice about your profile. Make sure your cover design ties in with your other portfolios. Do not use images and designs that you do not create yourself. Don't cheat, it can destroy your credibility. Include your email or personal contact information, this will increase the chance that you will be close to the eyes of clients. Here is a simple trick for your avatar. Your avatar should be professional. From contest to the Discover page, clients will see the face that would be present in your avatar. You have two options that we recommend at 99 Designs. Put your face in your avatar. We strongly recommend using a high-quality, professional photo of you. It puts your idea in the minds of clients and creates the potential of your connection. When it comes to platforms like Overview of 99 Designs, treat it like a professional LinkedIn account instead of a Facebook account. Before taking a selfie for your profile picture, hire a professional. If you don't like putting your picture on your profile, there is another alternative. You can use avatar as an extension of your brand in place of your profile picture. Make sure to keep the image simple and minimal. Your avatar appears in different sizes on different pages and shouldn't lose too much detail. The dimensions of the avatar should be a square of 500 by 500 pixels. And the minimum display size should be 32 by 32 pixels. Your avatar will appear as a circle. A portfolio helps you showcase your best work in front of clients. Unless it's a private contest, you have full control over what to display on your portfolios. It is the basis for your latest work, but it requires a skill set. Try to display the work artistically by choosing works that show a diverse amount of skills and styles. A good portfolio is a design you use to showcase your talent fascinatingly. Here are some ways to make sure your profile is admired by clients. Stay consistent in the working skill set you display on your profile. If you are a logo designer, everything should be the same size. And if you're a packaging designer, consider using similar lighting, the same shades, and backgrounds. These little things matter to make your portfolio stand out from the crowd. It also helps you showcase your work as a brand. Grouping work with similar aesthetics in your portfolio can make your work more powerful than before. So this step is important in that regard. Try zooming in on specific details to draw attention. The viewer can then click to view the masterpiece on a larger scale. It's a good way to highlight the way your designs are done with a lot of export. Only you know your efforts, so don't hide them. If you have different skills or styles, your portfolio is a great place to focus on them. An overview of 99 Designs, after you get your portfolio noticed, focus on other things like titles, descriptions, and tags. They help the client understand the main context of your work and differentiate your skills from others. Think for a moment and give your design a unique name. It will show the professionalism and uniqueness of your work, which sets you apart from others. And this small amount of effort can go a long way for you. Sounds good, right? A description is the best way to justify your work, whether you're working with a client or sharing work in your portfolio. A short explanation gives the viewer a higher level of understanding of your work. Tagging is one of the most important parts of the 99 Designs designer portfolio. It will help you make your work more visible to clients. Add tags, and think about what clients might be looking for and how your expertise matches their interests. Use tags according to your specific niche. Try to choose wisely, and choose the ones that best suit your interests. Adding irrelevant tags will be considered malicious. By completing the About section, clients will gain a deep understanding of your skills and expertise. Great place to share more of you here. Write in your bio words that relatively define you, your suggestions, and your interests. And if you have any awards, you can also add them to your bio to convince the client of your abilities and get to know you better. Add the languages you are good at. You can have clients all over the world, so if you let them know the languages you can speak, there will be a solid communication hole around the progress. This is the section used to display your 99Designs statistics, which includes contests you won, the number of one-to-one projects, and your response rate. If you want to share experiences outside of 99Designs, be sure to include them. These are the other two sections that represent the overview of 99Designs categories you specialize in and what you are certified for on 99Designs. Nothing speaks louder than the approval of a real client. If your past clients love your designs, then this section will work in your favor. Just remember to be tactful and respect that not every client will want to give one. When a designer reaches top-level status, they will be able to unlock the Services tab. The services allow top-tier designers to set their terms by offering up to 5 custom design services on their profile pages. Services include information on pricing, turnaround time, and details of what the service includes, making it easy to start individual projects with clients. Clients will see your service offering when they invite you to work after leaving you a review.